to the Agri-Learn podcast. I'm your host, Raina Nalau, an emerging full-time commercial farmer, as well as the brand ambassador of the Women and Youth Loan Scheme at the Agricultural Bank of Namibia. Now, today I'm joined by Ms. Rasali Angola, who is the marketing officer at the Agricultural Bank of Namibia. Ms. Angola, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Nalau. Thank you for having me.
Awesome. Now, today we're talking about Agribank's loan products as well as schemes. Now, in the previous episode, we featured Mr. Philemon Angonya, who is the public relations practitioner at Agribank, and he mentioned that Agribank serves the following clients: commercial, communal, resettled farmers, individuals, trust, partnerships, as well as cooperatives, right? Now, my question to you is, how does Agribank serve these clients?
Thank you so much, Nela. The Agricultural Bank of Namibia's mandate is very clear, and our mandate is to provide innovative and affordable financing. So we serve the clients by lending money, obviously, to develop and promote the agricultural sector.
Wonderful. Now let's talk about your loan products that you offer these clients, right? Just briefly take us through them.
Agribank funds the entire value chain, and that begins from land acquisition to production inputs, to harvesting, to transportation, to marketing those agricultural products that are being obviously produced by the clients at competitive interest rates.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now, would you like to take us through them, or?
Okay, so that was the value chain that we fund, and then our loan products include farmland purchases. Should you wish to buy a farm, so that is one of the products that we provide. We offer production loans and livestock loans, solar systems. If you want to buy a solar for your farm, for instance, agriculture is also available. It's also a product that is available at the Agricultural Bank of Namibia. And vehicle and tractor. We also have very interesting products like debt takeover and debt consolidation.
Debt takeover?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Are you saying that you can take over my Edgar's debt?
As per our mandate is to fund agricultural related activities.
Okay.
So the loans that will be taking over should be agricultural related loans that we can take over from commercial banks, and we can also do debt consolidation, of course. So that is just one of our products also that we offer here.
100%. So you're saying that if a client comes to the bank and let's say bought 10 livestock through a commercial bank, and they want now Agribank to take over this debt because they have probably competitive interest rates, you will do that?
Definitely, yes. Yes.
That's absolutely amazing. Right, now we just talked about the loan products. Can you differentiate for us between, could you differentiate for us between a loan product and a scheme?
Yes, thank you so much for that question, because most of our clients are confused about a product and a scheme. Okay, a scheme is, I don't want to use the term product, but a scheme is specifically tailored to address a specific need or identified gap in the market, in order for individuals or for groups to access our products. So that's a scheme. For instance, we have the Women and Youth Scheme that is tailored or designed for our women and youth with relaxed conditions in order to access these products. And if we are talking about the product, these are is the facilities that we lend to the clients. For instance, now the loans that we give, like a loan to buy a farm, a loan to buy a livestock. So those are products. Like also what we have said about the debt takeover, those are products. And these products can be accessed going through their schemes, for instance, like the Women and Youth Scheme, in order, for instance, to enjoy competitive or low interest rates.
Now, what did you say qualifies under the Women and Youth Loan Scheme again?
The women, the youth, as well as the agricultural professionals, because we believe that the agricultural experts have learned or acquired skills in the farming industry at school, which can be easily practiced or transferred in farming. So that's why the agricultural professionals are part of the Women in the Youth scheme.
Awesome. That was a lucid explanation right there. Now let's talk about the schemes. How many schemes does Agribank have and what are they?
At the moment we have 5 schemes. We have the salary backed up no collateral product for communal part-time farmers. And then we have the emerging retail financing product. That one is for full-time communal farmers. And we have the women and youth. We kept on mentioning that one, and it's my favorite scheme anyway, because I'm a woman and I'm a youth. The remaining 2 schemes is the biomass and the affirmative loan scheme. So those are the 5 schemes that we have at the moment.
Wonderful. Now earlier on you mentioned that Agribank offers competitive interest rates. Let's get right into it. What are your percentages?
The interest rates ranges from 4% to 9%. So that's the maximum right now, 9%. And for our favorite scheme, we offer 7%. So if you're a woman and a youth and agricultural professional, you can enjoy 7% interest rate here at Agribank of Namibia.
Wonderful. All right, we just talked about the interest rates and how competitive they are. For somebody who's watching us right now or listening to us right now and is considering applying for a loan product or scheme, how do they do that and what is the turnaround time?
Thank you, Nella, again. Our clients can visit us nationwide. We are available in the northeast in Zambezi. We are in Rundu. You can find us in Hobabas. You can find us in Grootfontein. You can find us in Ocheruku, which is in Ochivarongo. You can find us here in head office at the Midland branch. You can also find us in Oshakati in the north. Yes. So clients can walk into one of those branches that I've just mentioned in order to submit their application, or they can do it online on our website. So you can apply for a loan in the comfort of your home on our website, or otherwise you can contact us on our social media platforms. If you send us a message or a DM, we will reach you, and you can we can take down your details, of course, and then we can just take through the application through the process. Alternatively, you can also give us a call at 0612074111, and you can get your application form through.
All right.
Let's talk about the turnaround time. I think you mentioned that. One of our product here, which is the no collateral product, has the shortest turnaround time, which is 72 hours. So in 72 hours, you can get your loan approved and disbursed to you. So and it also, obviously, with the other loan products, it depends on the nature of the product and the amount that you're applying for. Otherwise, our loan applications, we prioritize them to ensure that they are processed in the shortest reasonable time as possible. 100%.
I just wanted to ask you, for somebody who's sitting, let's say, in the Hardap region, where can they go? Should they come all the way to Windhoek, or is there a branch in the south for them?
We have Marienthal branch there. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier.
That's what
but get in touch with our branch manager in Marienthal branch. So the guys in Hardap, please come through. We have a branch in Marienthal. Yes.
Absolutely wonderful. Now we're approaching the end of today's interview, but before I let you go, just take us through one more time with regards to your contact details, your email address, your cell phone number, as well as, sorry, not cell phone number, your landline. We don't want people calling you at midnight asking if their loan has been processed.
You know.
Your landline number, and then lastly, just the website.
The website.
Yes.
So clients can reach us by visiting any of the branches. Our contact details are 061 here in Windhoek, 207 4111. You can reach us via email at info@agribank.com.na. For online applications can be done on the website at www.agribank.com.na. Our social media platforms, I'm not sure if you asked about that, but catch us on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, where else? Spotify, I think you do some episodes there, and YouTube. Please subscribe at Agribank of Namibia. Yeah, so that is how you can reach us. We are available to serve you at any time from o'clock to 4 o'clock. We are here to serve you. Thank you so much, Nelao.
All right, no, Ms. Ngola, thank you so much for taking time from your busy schedule to be part of this interview. Highly appreciate it, and I'm pretty sure that somebody out there will definitely apply for a loan product or scheme. Until then, it's